Okay, so question A3 of 2016. Okay, ordinary level DCG. So the 3D graphic of gym equipment below shows a hemisphere and a truncated cone, mutual contact. So that means they're touching each other. So the hemisphere A and B touch each other. Okay, sphere C is also shown in contact with the hemisphere. All three rest on the floor, so aka the XY line or the horizontal plane. The drawing on the right shows the elevation and partially completed plan. That means the plan is not done of the gym equipment. Draw the plan of the truncated cone B. Okay, so we're going to do that. Alright, let's just extend down our axis here. Now, because the hemisphere and the truncated cone touch here, that means their point of contact is along the center line in plan. Okay, there's no heavy or hidden detail there. So, their position of it is here. Now I'm going to take the radius from elevation. So, base of the cone is the radius. I'm going to draw that in plan. So there's the base, and then the truncated cone, I'm going to take half that in elevation, and then I can drop that down there. That's the radius of it there. Now, alright, part C. Okay, the plan is a sphere, right? The sphere is in front of the hemisphere, so because the hemisphere is hidden detail. Now we're going to construct it as if it's touching the semicircle in elevation. So I'm going to take I'm going to take my T-square. I'm going to extend this line here in plan. Then I'm going to get the radius of the sphere. I knew what I'd done with my compass. I'm going to take the radius of sphere C. And then I'm going to add this on to the hemisphere. Right, because the distance between two circles or two spheres in contact is equal to the sum of their radii. So added the radius of sphere C onto the bottom of hemisphere A. Now this is the new position for the center point here of C in a construction position. Now I'm going to join the center of A and C together because two circles are circle and semicircle in contact. Their point of contact lies in a line joining their two centers. Now I'm going to draw in C in its construction position here, so I'm redrawing C, and here's the point of contact. Okay, now I need to get C in plan in its construction position. Okay, so I'm going to drop the center of C down, and the radius remains the same. So I'm going to draw that in. Now I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to put my compass on A. I'm going to rotate the center of sphere C in its construction position around. So I'll rotate that around there. Now I'm going to bring the original position of sphere C down. This is it in its construction position. So that's it in its in its correct position. Now I'm going to join their centers together because their point of contact is going to lie there. I'm going to take the radius of sphere C. I'm going to draw C in plan view. So here's the center point. So I'm going to draw that in as heavy detail. I have to drop the point of contact down. Okay, the construction position of point of contact down. I'm going to rotate it around. So there's the point of contact. Now I need to bring that to elevation. So I'm going to bring that up, and I'm going to bring this point of contact across because that's where it should be. Then I can heavy in, okay, the appropriate detail here and put in hidden detail. Right, there you go.